Welcome to ADSM Driving School. In this video we're going to be looking at turning right at roundabouts like the one behind me. Before we get started, don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't miss out on any new videos. The approach to a roundabout can be broken down into a few steps. The steps are mirrors, signal, position, speed, and look. Let's have a look at these videos of how we can put this into practice. Check your center mirror and your right door mirror to make sure you know what's going on around you. Indicate right so you're telling people what you're going to do. And then you're going to move so that people can see what you're intending to do. Slow yourself down and choose a gear. The whole time you've been doing this process, you've been looking, assessing and deciding what to do as you approach the roundabout. Let's check out the driver's view. Check our mirrors, indicate right, position over to the right hand side of our lane, slow down, choose a gear, final assessment. It's all clear, so let's keep going. What does this all look like from the outside? A well-timed indicator will really help everybody around you plan ahead and will keep you safer. But remember to back up your indicator with your road positioning so that people can see really clearly what you intend to do. In this step, let's have a look at how we enter the roundabout and where we should position ourselves once we are on the roundabout. Just before entering the roundabout, look to your right, look ahead, look to your right, look ahead as you enter, check your left door mirror, hug the roundabout on your right hand side. Just before entering the roundabout, look to your right, look ahead of you, look to your right to double check, look ahead, left door mirror check, and then hug the roundabout. So let's have a look from the driver's perspective. Check to your right, look ahead, check to your right, look ahead, check your left door mirror, move on to the roundabout and hug the position to the right. So what does this all look like from the outside? We had some really good observations and we noticed early enough to adjust for that red car. As we're pulling out, we've checked our left mirror and we're making sure that we hug the roundabout. In this step, let's have a look at our exit procedure. When should we use our mirrors and which ones? And when should we indicate? Let's have a look. Check your middle mirror, left door mirror, indicate left. Check your mirrors again, move over to the left, exit on the left side and remember to cancel your indicator. From the driver's view, middle mirror, left door mirror, indicate left, middle mirror, left door mirror again, move over to the left and don't forget to cancel your indicator. Let's have a look from the outside view. Check your middle mirror, your left door mirror, indicate left, check your middle mirror, left door mirror again, move over to the left and don't forget to cancel your indicator. It's now time to put all three steps together. Let's see the whole thing from approach to exit. On the approach, check your middle mirror and your right door mirror, indicate right, position over to the right, slow down using your brakes, then choose your gear. Check to your right, then look ahead, look right, look ahead, check your left door mirror, move on to the roundabout and then hug the island, check your middle mirror, left door mirror, indicate left, middle mirror, left door mirror, move off the roundabout and exit on the left, you may need to cancel your left indicator. Now let's have a look from the driver's view. So check your middle mirror and your right door mirror, indicate right, move over to the right up against the white line, slow down, choose a gear, look to the right, look ahead, look to the right, look ahead, check your left door mirror, pull on and hug the roundabout. Check your middle mirror, left door mirror, indicate left, check your middle mirror, left door mirror, move over to the left and exit on the left. You may need to cancel your indicator. What does this look like from the outside? Check your middle mirror, right door mirror, indicate right, move over to the right against the white line, slow down, choose a gear, look right, look ahead, look right, look ahead, check your left door mirror, drive onto the roundabout, hug the roundabout as you go around, check your middle mirror, left door mirror, indicate left, middle mirror, left door mirror, move over to the left, exit on the left. You may need to cancel your indicator. Thank you for watching this video, and I really hope that it's helped you know more about turning right at roundabouts. If you've got any questions or comments about this video, don't forget to leave them below. Remember to like and subscribe to this channel and hit that notification button. Check out my Instagram and TikTok accounts. They've got some fantastic resources available for you on there. And remember, always drive safe and plan ahead.